Welcome to Agro Tourism Vishwa, a blend of rural and urban culture. When India is proudly celebrating 75th Independence Year as Amrit Mahotsav, Agro Tourism Vishwa also pledge to bring glory to the nation by enriching the rich culture of our nation. We work for farmers, tribal and rural communities, tourists, and owners of agro-tourism firms. About us. Agro Tourism Vishwa is a social entrepreneur dedicated to promote agro-eco-rural tribe and sustainable tourism across India. Our aim is to raise awareness about agro-tourism and rural tourism. We provide the tourists sustainable and unique experience in agro-tourism centers. Our offer includes day visit, tent camping, village trip, farming tour, corporate outing, trekking, adventure, boating, fishing, rice plantation, local festival. Turtle Festival means Kasav Mahotsav. Firefly Festival means Kasva Mahotsav. Experience tribal community, traditional activity and excursion trips. The motive behind this initiative is to preserve the local culture, provide financial benefit and thus empower the local people. We also conduct workshops and training sessions based on agriculture and youth skill-based employment programs to educate and inspire the people in rural areas. We strive to develop the rural community who earn their livelihood by offering agro-tourism. Agro-tourism Vishwa also creates content and helps agricultural and rural tourism centers by running digital campaigns. Founded in 2017, Agro-tourism Vishwa Company is based in Pune, Maharashtra, India. Mr. Ganesh Chappalwar started the company with an aim of bringing farmers, tourists and agri-tourism owners together for greater good. Our mission: to empower farmers by providing digital platforms and other services to earn maximum profits from their agro-tourism centers. We serve farmers and tourists, develop farmer, rural and tribal communities. We are the bridge between farmers, agro-tourism centers and tourists. Vision: to establish ourselves as one of the best solution providers for all agro-tourism centers in India with tourism master planning, landscape, architect, innovating ideas and unique strategies. To create a worldwide identity for farmers is our vision. Awards and recognitions. Agro Tourism Vishwa was awarded the Best Startup of the Year 2018 by Artha Sanket. Honored with Tourism Mitra 2019 award on behalf of Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation and Directorate of Tourism Pune. Awarded Krushi Paryatan Ratna 2021 by Karnala Charitable Trust Pune in December 2021 and many other honorable recognitions. Our other services: Agro and Rural Tourism Consultancy, Agro Tourism Project Design, Agro Tourism Bank Project Report, Agri Tour Trip Operator, Website Design and Development, Workshop Training for Farmers, Project Financial Consulting, Promotion, Branding and Marketing, Creative Content Development, Social and Digital Media Promotions. Why us? Expert Team Members, One Windows Service, Content Expert, Media Friendly, Journal Publication, Study of World, India, specially Maharashtra Agri-Tourism, Advisory Committee, Research and Development, Young and Enthusiastic Team. Discover the natural beauty of Indian villages, rural communities and the daily livelihood of the tribal communities with the Agro Tourism Vishwa. Success stories of Agro Tourism Vishwa have been covered by many prestigious newspapers, magazines, and news channels at various occasions. Time to time, skill development training as well as farming and tourism training to the tribal and rural youth for better livelihood by our training partner, Parbhanna Foundation. Our tourism partner, Bhandardara Vishwa Tent Camping, always extend their support for organizing Firefly Festival, tent camping, and tribal cultural festival. To spread awareness about tourism, we celebrate World Agri Tourism Day on 16th May, World Tourism Day on 27th September, and National Tourism Day on 25th January by conducting various tourism events. Nature of work, consultancy, site or land visit, report submit, project report, financial consultancy, architecture design, landscape drawing, design master plan, center development, legal consultancy and registration, marketing plan, content development, IT work, promotion, branding. Associated with more than 50 ideal agro, rural, and tribal tourism centers. We have already completed 25 agri and 7 rural tourism centers projects. For more updates, follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Contact us. Agro Tourism Vishwa, office number 1229/B, Rachna Avenue, FC Road, Shivaji Nagar, Pune, Maharashtra, India.